Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Quicky Pantry. Today we're going to do a very easy dish like we always do, right? So we're making hummus. Hummus is a fit food, quick food. Resolves your hunger pangs when you don't have the time. And we're going to be doing this without tahini sauce, replacing it with thick yogurt instead. So, even the ingredients are easily available in your pantry. That's why it's Quicky Pantry. Let's get started with the ingredients. We need 1 cup of white chholay, safaed chholay, or 1.5 lime, about 10 garlic cloves, and I like to use green chillies because I like it spicy. You may not, you may avoid. Then, what do we have? Yes, we have roasted cumin powder, about a spoon. For the dressing bit, we're going to be using chili flakes, optional. Olive oil, again optional. And of course, salt. So, how we go about it is that we soak the safaed chholay overnight, we all know that, and boil it with 1 spoon of salt. Then we've drained out the water, kept the water aside, and both we've kept in the fridge because it will give a beautiful color with this. For the later bit, to go with it, I've chosen some very crispy veggies. I had capsicum, and I had cucumber. Otherwise, you can go with the yellow bell pepper, red bell peppers. Anything that pleases you. There I'm not. And I have chosen broccoli, for which we're going to be using the stem of because I find it very crunchy and it's healthy. Some wafers to go with this. What we do is put all ingredients except of course the veggies, the olive oil and the chili flakes in a blender and just blend. I'll show you the viscosity we arrive at in a jiffy. Stay here.
It's yummy, it's licky, it's Quicky Pantry.
So we put everything in the blender, and if you want we can put about a spoon of olive oil. Yeah, that's about it. The chickpea water which we have, we are going to be judging the viscosity and then adding that on. For the veggies, we can put in a bit of olive oil. We can blanch them as well, or we could just. So we transfer the hummus. Can you see the thickness? In a bowl. And the chopped cucumber, the glistening capsicums, and I love this part, okay? This is really healthy. And we can dress it up with, if we want, this isn't really healthy, but okay, it adds the crispiness. This tray is ready here, and this one we're just going to move our finger a bit of olive oil in that tunnel that we have made, it. And yeah, can you see? You know, this is what I call combining laziness with health benefits and yummy deliciousness. I'm going to be doing one more recipe incorporating hummus. So do subscribe into Quicky Pantry. And until then, I am Chaya Chauhan signing off. You stay healthy, wealthy, wise, and happy.
Quicky Pantry.